girl. If you're just popping in, the man Stein is in the building. You know that's something I got to do.
I know you wanna sing cause I see that in your eyes. If I know one thing I wanna take you back for right tonight. And I know you wanna sing cause I see that.
Big up yourself, Father Stein. Tell me if you are here, my general.
Easy. Stein,
tell me if you are here, me clearly.
I hear you, man. Is it?
All right, big up yourself, my general. Welcome to the chill spot. You understand me? And a long time we want to have one of them generally from, you know? So,
mad thing, man.
You understand what I say, man? So, people, if you're locking in for the first time, I'm asking you to share the live. Because the general in the building, and if you don't never know some stuff today, at the day you're not going to know everything about Stein. If you don't know who was Stein or who is Stein today, you're going to know what. So Stein, a while ago, before me even jump in at enough something, you understand me, I say? Me want to ask you how the corona thing a treat you, my G.
Oh, corona?
Yeah, bro, God.
I don't know, sir. You see it from the news and you see it, you see what go on and you just watch what go on, you see it like everybody else, you see it.
For real, man, for real, man. So corona have any kind of impact on your whole career what go on now? What happened between the little something here?
What between what? I don't understand.
No, me I say corona now, you know, if corona slow down the traveling and what corona cause on your little thing, you know, what kind of effect it have with you right now?
Well, I really don't understand what you're trying to say, about the corona having effect on my little thing, and I don't understand what you're saying.
No, because you know the corona kind of stop some from traveling and stop from shows and stuff like that. Them little part, you understand me?
Oh, but that is a real wide thing within the music industry.
For real.
Everywhere in the world, everywhere where have a music industry,
yeah,
understand, and every genre, I think that is a great downfall to everybody.
For real, man, for real, man, for real, man.
To nobody where in a music right now, whether a big artist or a small artist, from you don't know a music you make your money from, you know it now go look good to nobody right now.
For real, man, for real, man, for real.
Plus even people who have to travel. You understand? Not just musicians, but other people who have to travel.
So also
good. So me think you would have like know that. You understand?
Yeah. No, me know that, you know, cause you know sometimes me want to know if more really know if, cause sometimes you have to do music, you know. You have to do music. So if you don't have your own studio, your own, maybe you have to go Vice or you know, go one studio different from, you understand what I say? So if you have your own home studio now, it will cost you talent to kind of, you know, you can't go Vice like how you want Vice and put out the thing and, you know, so that's why I have to try to find out what kind of effect it really have on you itself, because maybe you have your home studio, you know.
No, man, the corona don't really have no effect on me where it not have fun everybody else.
Oh, for real.
It's like I am not special in this situation.
Oh, okay. All right, Michi.
So that's why I'm not trying to understand.
All right. No problem. I get it. But right now, we want to welcome you once more, and we want to jump in at the part where we want to make the people know exactly who is Stein and where Stein is coming from. You understand me? So,
man,
Stein, I want to know your past. So we're going to start from where did you go to school? And also,
Well, continue.
Where did you go to school? Where did you grow up? And we just start with them two questions the first, yeah?
All right. So, I was born in Portland, a place called Reach District. You see?
Yeah.
And like I came to Kingston when I was 1 year old.
Yeah.
And you don't know, growing up in Kingston, I'm going back and forth from Portland to Kingston, you know.
Yeah.
Portland for holidays. And you don't know, Kingston, we go to school.
So which school did you attend in Kingston?
We go to a school named Norman Garden, Junior High.
Okay, where can you find that?
You find that out of Norman Garden, out of Rockford.
Oh, Rockford. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So the people them don't know, wait there, a Rockford,
know.
a school there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I'm my school there. Well, if I
So,
from them time they still remember me.
Yeah, for real. So you have any other artists from that school, that the other persons from that school that became artists also, or?
No, it's just me. It's just me, you know.
So you create a legacy then, right there, so.
Yeah, man. No,
So you're one of them. Now you're one of them great for that school. So they can mention, say, oh, we got a school with that youth there,
yeah,
yo, that youth
yeah,
there.
man.
You see me?
Especially a whole for Mountain View youth.
For real, for real, for real. For real, man. So they have to give thanks, because sometimes you don't know the person next to you, when they might be coming alive. So they must happy for that. But also, when did you decided to do music, or when you kind of say, yo, this is my thing, music?
You know, so me I sing from young. Like,
yeah?
like from me a 5-year-old, like me just always sing. Like from me know myself. But them say me I sing from, like family tell me say from your young, like 4 or 5 of them, you always singing.
Yeah.
But from me know myself, me I sing. There is never a time in my life when me remember when me not singing.
Okay, for real, for real.
Doing music.
For real. So you used to go to church and them thing too, right?
Where we grew up in a Portland,
yeah.
You have like a small district called Reach District, and I think you have like 3 to 4 church, and the district is very small. You understand?
For real.
So you don't know the people in a Reach District. In a Reach District, the people you don't know God them pray.
For real. Jaja.
God Almighty.
Yeah, I understand me. So,
at one point, Reach District was one of the most peaceful districts, peaceful place in Jamaica. You can check out Reach Falls too.
Reach Falls, yeah.
Yes, man. Right, Reach Falls there. Yeah,
man. Yeah. You're a place that's where you come from. So people, the man is a good country man, so they don't believe say, yo, this man know about country, you understand me? So they can go check out Reach Falls and the whole of the Reach District. You understand me, I say?
The thing about me, I am always like best of both worlds. You understand? Because it's like from Kingston to Portland. So I grew up knowing about the country life and grew up knowing about the Kingston, the town life.
Okay. For real, man. So did you start music in high school professionally, or how did it started?
No, from I know myself, I always I do music. At 10, 11-year-old,
yeah.
Me I go on the road. I go on sound, the sound truck, sound system truck them. Just to reach a stage show.
Okay.
The sound system truck, sound wave truck.
Yeah. That's in Kingston, right?
Yeah. Just to reach a stage show.
For real.
And wait and then from early and wait till the sound string up.
Okay.
String up the dance, I go on now, get to touch the mic and DJ and lock the place. And you have to jump back on the truck to come back at Kingston. The truck I left from Kingston,
Yeah.
Only if them truck I left from Kingston and go country, come back to town, you see.
So you do the music for a long time, and so that means say hide out to go dance and hide go on chuck long time.
Yes,
then.
Man, long time nobody can stop me.
You understand me?
From a music me I go do, you know. Me a man, me love music differently, you know. For
real God. So yeah, so now it's the first time, because you know sometimes when you jump on a truck, them they say them nah give the mic for do your thing, you know. So the first time them say, Stein, see the mic here, do your thing. How kind of way you feel when you stand up in front of the people and start do that something here?
No, but the thing always I get forward. So them
Yeah.
always want me DJ.
Okay, okay.
Cause little brown youth, they always a shell down the place.
For real, for real, for real. For
Yeah,
real.
man.
For real, man.
The way we grew up,
Yeah.
we grew up in the music is like we don't have to have a song or the artist song say DJ and bust the place.
Yeah.
Place of a shell down. You understand? And then when we start get hot song now and after
Yeah.
recording, it just gets stronger.
For real, for real.
You know?
So Stein.
Yeah.
We know your name Stein now.
Yeah.
Them time that when you used to dip on the chuck. You see me?
Yeah.
Why the name you used to have them time there?
You know, so I have the name Einstein for years.
From them time there?
Yes.
When you dip on the chuck?
Yes, man, because my female cousin, you know, named Mochi,
Yeah.
she had do me here one day.
Yeah.
And she said, when you hear pull out in favor Einstein, you know? And I said, oh,
Yeah.
I like that name then. And she said, no, man, he's a scientist. And so you always have fix things and you always are, you know, you always come like a scientist and plus you look like Einstein. So
Yeah.
whatever. I don't know the name kind of stick. Everybody call me Einstein. From she call me Einstein. Everybody Einstein.
For real,
I
for
never
real.
really want the name for artist name, but so I saw my name already. I just work with it. And then when the boss, after a couple of years, I just change the name because when you search the net, you ask for the scientist.
Yeah.
And just change it to Stein.
Yeah.
In a German language, Stein
Yeah.
means stone.
Stone.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. People don't hear that. The man that teach the listeners if they don't know German, Stein means stone. You understand me? So
Stein a stone and Einstein mean one stone.
Okay.
Yeah.
For real. So you just drop the
But Ein mean one.
Yeah.
In German, and Stein means stone.
For real.
One stone. Yeah.
So
just drop the one and
just keep the stone. For real. So the first time now, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
You go to the studio. Which was the first studio that you went to voice your first track?
Alright, the first studio is a studio in a Spoilers.
Yeah.
The man named Traxin. We used to voice Phantom 12 track.
Okay.
And when you voice, you know the 24 track machine with the
Yes. Yeah, man.
Well, you have 12 tracks will look like that, but it's smaller.
Okay.
But it no sound up to date like the 24 track.
Okay.
24 track. Isn't it?
Okay.
12 track was more to do interview and then something.
Okay, so your first song where your voice on the 12th track was which song was that song?
Was that 12? It's a song where Mevil like singing.
No man, your boss already man, so you can't make we do it. Give me a line out tight. You don't have to give me all light.
I even like sing it. Isn't it? No man, them time they think never up. You see.
But the people have to know, because remember, you come from somewhere, so you have to start from somewhere, so the people them know, say, yo, and them style I used to sing before, and now I hear some of that. So, I'm not going to pressure you, but I want to hear the first song, brother. I want a piece of that song there. So we know, say, if we never know, say, yes, so Stein come from.
Long time we are looking you to that.
Yeah, but give me a piece, man. Give me a piece, man.
We'll see if it's a later date, yeah?
All right. So now, the first official thing now you do is give you the name where everybody start look on Stein and say, oh, that youth are bad now. The first official song we start play on the radio and start get traction out there. What was that song?
The first song was Rise the Machine, but before that we used to record the Djblue. I mix it up.
Okay.
A song named Love Your Life. The Djblue.
Okay, Love Your Life. You can hear a piece of the one there?
We are moving on to later.
That one there, we can hear nothing.
Name Love Your Life, the Djblue. Is in a couple of that tune. You know? Okay. And you don't know. After that, we link up with Scatter. So Djblue did left and go. We did a link up with Djblue and Mixing Lab. And Djblue left and go England. You understand? So when
Okay.
to Jamaica and to England, we go to boom and link up with Scatter.
Okay.
We start record to Scatter. Whenever I get to record, like same time, we always up a Scatter and our sizzler them come vibe. We vibe on the whole of them. And then two them.
Yeah.
You understand what Beanie Man them vibe? Them get me mama. You understand?
For real.
What Ellie them a vibe? Over the what? Put your head there. But that rhythm them it get the vibe, man.
Okay. And what was your song on that rhythm? What was the title of that song on that rhythm?
Tune with me and you can cut on platform.
Do what you do, man.
No, me have to ask them, man.
No, do what you do, man.
I tune on the rhythm there where Tassin did have we are not afraid. Same rhythm.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have a song with me and an artist called Problem Child.
Okay.
Yeah, you must be thinking of the next people don't get it from the cookie now. You must be talking about the one get it from the cookie now.
Yeah, go and like, you know what, drop a song. We are dry out for drop a song, you know, man. So that's the first one, yeah?
Yeah. We get a little traction, you understand?
Yeah.
But you don't know, Scatter did edit the tune and make it, you know?
It clean, yeah.
Yeah.
So from there now, when you get your song going out and you start perform now, when was your first official stage show when you go in front of maybe couple thousand people now? When was that first time?
But me never start perform. Me never start get like no each song yet. I start perform each song yet, cause that song they never eat.
Okay.
And that song they never eat. So me still there a record to Scatter. Cause them time there when me start the early recording stage, me never really did do no whole heap of stage show. Me used to do whole heap of stage show before, cause it was mostly like a stage show artist everywhere.
Yeah.
Me are there the stage show them and people that tell me say like people in the music business that tell me say yo that studio where they a dub plate studio, you know, you just do be a dub plate every day, and you just come and stage show come DJ every day. You need a hit songs, so you need to go which part the hit song them a make. You understand? So I saw me start the recording, and when me start the recording now, me kind of ease off of the stage show.
Okay.
After that, me record a song for Scatter.
Yeah.
Isn't it? No, after that, me record for Stephen McGregor. After me start record a couple songs for Scatter.
Okay.
Record for Stephen McGregor. Couple song, but them never reach nowhere. You know?
Okay. Yeah, man, so.
When we record the song name, Rise the Machine, brother.
Yeah.
Isn't it? To Stephen. At them time, them see the people them start say, yo.
You get your recognition from that song, the Rise the Machine. So why you give the people them a small piece of the song that if them never know it.
Yes, when me say. Rise the machines, well, you 5.56 caliber. A12 chop off adversary head like the X caliber. Beat it like a slave shatter, run them down. Gun them down. 5.8 is 40 from that meaning gun bust beat like a red bullet and humongous when you pull up the blue gun bust magic. Use vacuum when you turn dust it up the MGI. Everything interlock. Them arms that make winter hot. Shot more them up, them think attack. Boy walk and stagger like he's a rum drinker that. Like astronaut, me send marrow out of space when me bust it, make sure that he out of place. Make boy head out of place, fire shot like game flying. And I'm out of place, me no missing at the eye, me shoot the bull. Explit like my language, juicy-full.
Hold on. Got it. So now you start get the traction right there, so. People start try find out and say, who the youth are bad.
But the rest of the song them we used to do used to bad too, you know, it's just that I find the right rhythm.
Yeah.
At the right time.
For real.
Rhythm, cause baby artist the rhythm.
Yeah, for real, man, for real.
Cartel the rhythm. Start war and dead. Well, me put you close, but it's not suppose. Remember, more father the rhythm.
Yeah, man.
Them
be a rice crime. Yeah, man, so the rhythm there now, so now.
No boy can't step for the warlord. You see me? And to say, I look at you just come pep on the rhythm. Because be a big, I be a top artist step on the rhythm too. Mr. Be a step on the rhythm. You see me?
One friend from them.
Be a top artist.
So when you get the bad song there and get the light where you never get, you know? Yeah, man. For real, man. For real, man. I think almost every artist in the dancehall is upon the rhythm. The rhythm that is long, about 30 odd songs on the rhythm. The rhythm there.
For a song. All right. I just look at bro you name Stein, okay?
Yeah. Yeah. For real, man. For real, man. So Stein, me go drop on the song them where you have where that time in the past, me go drop one song now where me want the people them gravitate around, cause me just play before you forward a song between you and Egyptian.
Yeah, song with me and Egyptian.
What is the title of that song?
Take You for a Ride.
Okay, so people, that song them me played it a while ago. Take You for a Ride. If you don't know that song there, know that song there nice. When you go check out that song there. Me now go play it again because I play it already. You understand me? Before the general, but me I go drop a next song. That song name Enchanted. So me I go show you how my artist. Well, I know. Me I go show you how my artist talented. Because some people not understand when you see talent if you know talent. No, that song, yeah. If you're popping in on Team Entertainment Radio, no, me gonna drop some bad song from Stein that day. Let us song your name. Enchanted. Ladies, what happened? Big up everybody in the chat room right now. French hard, big up yourself. And everybody goes so. The artist there say about girl acapella style no artist. Ready?
Girl, your body so right. You know, tell no lie, me feel so nice. You know what they want to lock you down to the whole night. Play it with them here, brother.
If you're just popping in, you know the Stein is in the building. We have all the vibes on the chill spot. This song is entitled Enchanted. Go pop over the Stein Fever channel and check it out. You know that song you're going right? Know that song you're bad. And every girl sing.
And a human attack out in the street.
So may I show you say the artists have brand new hot songs. So if you go out there, go check it out too. So Stein, now we reach on party night now. We are gonna say, yo, what the people them, what you want the people them know about Stein when enough people don't know. Any one thing.
All right. I would want the people them know say. Never Vivo channel. Subscribe to Stein Vivo. See it? Yeah, man.
Easy.
Yeah, man. A long time me know the music and a long time me I do this. You see me I say? So,
yeah.
You don't know. We need the support from the fans them. But at the same time, the fans them have to know which part to go find to support it. Or them have
So,
to them know which part to go. So,
for real. You're right about that. You know me rate about it, you know a while ago. No, you know a lot of it. Every moment is a good promotion moment, you know, brother. But more yes. All right, people, go check out Stein Vivo channel on YouTube. You understand me?
Just up on YouTube. You don't know, a lot of people know say Vivo on YouTube like the same thing. Vivo is just a platform on YouTube. So from YouTube, type in Stein Vivo, STEINVEVO. You have to see the channel, just subscribe and watch a couple video. Me not tell you watch couple, from you watch one, you go watch.
Yeah, but just go down the line.
Like. Is it? And
So,
left a comment.
all right, now, Stein. We make the point then. No, you promote all of the thing. No. So, no.
Yeah.
So for instance, Elephant Man say my top chef. You understand me?
Yeah.
Some other man used to be barber, some other used to be some other thing. No.
Yeah.
What the people them not know about you? Like what you used to do before music?
You know, some music alone I like, brother.
You don't do nothing else.
Yo, if me can't sing for a week, me not feel right. Me have to sing.
For real.
So like people are say, yo, enough artists just give up, you know.
Yeah.
Thing is, me can't give up.
For real.
Me can't, because me is just a walking instrument. I just tune me a deal with.
Okay, for real.
I love music different than me, I tell you, man.
For real, man. For real.
That's why I sing. All of my friends, them I grew up, I say, yo, more a game, more this to play a game, man. Me just watch my friend them play a game. Me never really like want to play the game. Like play PlayStation or with them something there.
Yeah.
Me want sing. Me want listen to some bad tune. Me want listen to all different genres of music. A tune me I deal it.
For real.
Me I deal it, a flow me I deal it, a melody me I deal it.
For real. So,
yeah, man, I just music, man.
So growing up, yeah?
Yeah.
Growing up, who was your like inspiration at the music where kind of you can say, yo, at them man me used to listen to and at them man me just idolize and say, yo, me pick something from them and enhance my talent.
That's true. The thing is, now DJ long before enough of them artists are bought. Now DJ from the liquor. And from the liquor, me just want, when me hear bad song, me just want to make something better than that, or me just want to make something weirder than that. So me was an artist, me was a youth where just like any tune, we bad. When me listen to the radio, me say, yo, then me listen to the radio while about half an hour and then four songs.
Yeah.
Me hear 10 songs, but 4 out of them are them one they are bad songs.
For real.
Me not care who sing it.
Yeah.
Me not care who sing the song bad. That's how me really start out. You understand?
For real.
If it's a bad song, I like it. Me not care who sing it. You understand?
Yeah, man.
Then
all right.
When me start know different artists now.
Yeah.
I know say that artist they sing that tune there and that artist they sing that tune there. And me start check out them catalog.
Yeah.
You know?
For real.
Artists them like
them artists are bad.
Like Bounty Killer.
Yeah.
General Degree.
Yeah.
Sizzler.
For real, man. For real.
Yeah,
so have you done any extra collaboration with any of them artists yet?
Me do a tune with Bounty Killer. Name Tell Them. We are bust the biggest strap a road. Tell them when you clap a road. Shot corral them. If I
big
want
song.
to go back down, Batman, beat it, it's not from the whole city locked down. Mach 90 rifle treat them load. Tell them, drop one like a boat, young cross, tell them. If I want we now go back down, them get bullet from the shotgun, them blood no stop.
Hold on right there, so. No, me see your style of music. Me see you going at that girl something there and for a while, me see the girl thing them a come out whole heap. But we know say you start with some bad lyrics. But there's one song where me play, I'm gonna play back that song there because I want to hear, hold on man, I want to hear where you get your inspiration from to write that song here, or if you do that song here itself.
Alright.
No, hear this. Me have to just drop back a song because you know so the artist bad and then full of style and pattern. Listen to one here.
Make me introduce myself. I'm Stein, dancehall origin.
That song here, Stein. This is not just normal Stein now. Because I know everybody know that little part you know. So more you tell the people them how you come up with a style or the flow if you just do that something, you know?
Because a Swedish producer send me an old school rhythm. Old school dancehall rhythm and say, yo, you can do something for the rhythm here. I say,
yeah.
You don't know. Tiny KSTV, you don't know.
The
I
juniors.
listen, yeah, man. I listen to old school music, new music. Isn't it? Plus, I can do it. Some of the stuff a boom and just record a old school song, and you don't know the people them love it and the people them appreciate it. You understand? Because you see a new school artist I sing old school.
Yeah,
Them type
cause
of
it.
style yeah before me born, you know.
So when me hear it a
And they
while ago,
sing
me
it
I
so
say no.
perfect, you know.
Yeah, me I
Yeah,
say
man.
no. Boxer hype say yo, he might forgot
Yeah.
voice that song yeah. Cause that one bad song. No,
Yeah,
that
man. I
song
will
and
if I
if
don't
out
play
there.
for the fan of song, the one.
Yeah, man. This a
Yeah,
song
man.
that gonna make you
Come
make
straight.
money, bro. Europe song, bad.
I will if I don't play for the fan of song, them. You don't
For
know
real,
that
man.
I
For real, man. For real,
go to
man.
Europe and some other places.
For real, man. So we have a segment now where we have a call like
Yeah.
you don't have to think too much, just quick answer. So the first question is like, what would you like more? What you like to do? Text or talk?
Sound like a girl them want to hear that.
Yeah, text or talk. Yeah, man.
Text or talk. You don't know, you know. It depends on the vibe.
Okay, so it depends on the vibes, you know.
Yeah, man, because me a person who work with the vibe.
All right.
Work with
So
the vibe. Because you don't know. It's really about the vibe, you know. You understand?
for real.
With human being, you know, but you don't know human being them teeth. Human being for them not to work with them energy and them vibe. You understand?
For real, man. For real, no problem.
Yeah.
So you say you just gotta
you
work
don't
with the
know you have to
vibes so you
work
get.
with the vibe.
All right,
Yeah?
no problem. So if you did have the second question though, say if you did have a chance to change anything in the past, what would it be?
Let's see. Let's see. I wouldn't change nothing in the past, you know. If I could have make, like I could have make something great happen, I would have do it. But I wouldn't change nothing. But if I could have make something great happen,
Okay.
I would have do it. You know,
That deep right there.
yeah,
Me have to think about that one.
yeah. But if I could have go back, when me that change, you don't need to change nothing.
Okay,
it's just that if me could have make something happen, something great, me that do it.
All right, my boss.
Yeah,
all right.
I deal it.
So if
but we know that we can't go back in our past, or we can't go back in our past yet.
yet
Because I make it future. Let's make that great something that happen in our future or in our present.
what's if can't go back in that past yet? But like the
Yeah.
answer there.
Yeah. Yeah. Everything
All right.
is possible, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if all right, the next question is though, yeah. If yeah, you had if you're in a situation where you have to decide to lose any one body part, yeah?
Yeah.
Which one of your body part did I lose?
Body part. I lose body part. Yeah.
And finger toe, so them say, yo, you got dead if you not give me a toe. Which one of them did I lose? Like you have to give up something to live. Which one would you give up to live?
You know, so I give up nothing.
So you got dead?
Yo,
not even a toe, brother?
No, sir. I give up nothing and then can't. I bad, me bad.
You know, easy. All right, you win, brother. You win. So hold on. All right, we go to the next one. We must get the answer out of you for the next one. So now, me want to know the craziest thing, yeah? One of your ex them do to you. One of the craziest thing an ex did to you.
Ex girl. You know, so I'm not really to like you see to the busy at the music. I love music so much. Ex girl them always a complain.
Yeah.
I love music more than them. So I know that I don't really love more than you understand. I just because
When I hear so clearly, yeah?
Yeah, so I just have a record and just do the music.
No, me I say, let me ask you a question again. Me know why you avoid it. What are the
so
craziest thing?
I really have time to free where ex girl create ex-girl they do crazy things or whatever. Me not have the time to preach. You see me? Me not
All
have the
right.
time to preach that.
Fair enough,
Yeah,
fair enough, fair enough.
yeah.
But like how you just like, all right, but fair enough,
Yeah,
no problem.
I'm not
But
telling man.
no,
Yeah.
are you working on any new songs now,
I want to
presently?
hear man every day. Tune.
So what is song
From
now?
Jamaica. I want to hear. Eh?
So all right, get more you drop a song where no release yet. Just give you a sample of one of them songs the way your voice, but in a release it, you know? You know, say yo, we're not gonna look out for that one. So we hear what is there next to come from Stein.
Easy from Jamaica. One up on your girl, me step in at your ear. Every and now I get the right, and now I get the more right.
Hold on.
It's when it drop.
Yeah, for real, man. But
I can hear one when you charge up. We just released.
I was going to just play that song. So hold on now. Me I go intro it.
Yeah.
So them hear how it sound, and then you just give them the acapella so they know say you promote this right now. This year run with. Hold on there. Hold on. Let's go. If you're just popping in on the Djblue Entertainment Radio, the chill spot, the man, none other than Stein is in the building. No that song and name charge up. Now just drop a song and make you hear what's new. Stein. If you're popping over on DJblue.com, welcome.
Roll out, diamond and gold out. The t-shirt clean and my sneakers clean. Me a fat Kyle, we a hold tonight, me head hot. Send me charge up till me a shock.
If you're just popping in, know that brand new song from Stein himself. Know that song your name.
Stein,
Charge up.
through the 91.
It's all about shit alive if you're popping in for the first.
Roll out, diamond and gold out. The t-shirt clean and my sneakers clean. Me a fat Kyle, we a hold tonight, me head hot.
Number one, Stein, just pop in and give you a piece side, acapella style. If you're on YouTube, Instagram, wherever, know the boss of the building, Stein, just tell them.
Yeah. We skull hot and a boil up. See a lick a pile up, you know we kyle up. Just gonna split I like a mile up. We are enjoy ourselves. Yeah, we work hard, we are enjoy the wealth. One time me use and shell down the shelf. Y'all get quick, one pop off me belt. She want me, she come over and chat to me. She skin it out and double pan a red top to me. Can't believe that she bring all of that to me. What?
Roll out.
That man, no thing. Who will violate and no send your thing. See me with the gal and try to talk to me. A pep in your face with the things tonight. Me head hot. But in a minute like a million shots.
Wanna listen. Stein, I want to thank you for being here today with us. You know that's something I got to do. So people, remember that this is the man himself, Stein, and you can go check out his Vivo channel. You can also follow him on Instagram, Twitter, and also Facebook. So Stein, Steezy, big up yourself. Thank you for being on the chill spot today. So tell the people what you want to tell them before you cut me, G.
Yeah, man, you know, I just want big up all of my supporters, them, you understand? Big up all of the people who I listen to music every day, you understand? And I stream the music because you don't know, I support that, you know.
For real.
Because even when you don't know Corona and they show them now forward and boom bang bang, you don't know.
For real.
I support them artists, streaming the music, buying the music, isn't it?
I understand.
Yes, it.
And before you go also, there's a lot of things happening back in Jamaica about with the females getting abused and killed and stuff. Do you have anything to input on that from the man himself, Stein?
Yo, let me tell you this. No people straight for talk, but where them boy they are do, we not support none of we not support. Yeah, you see, when me even look on them things that and see what happened in my country, my lad, me get real emotional.
For real, man, for real.
We not support nothing what them boy they are do. And we not support them.
For real, for real, for real. For real, for real.
Them.
For real, for real, for real, for real.
And we not care who them.
Understand me?
That not go on.
So this is a strong point where we are end on. So on the top it, we don't support them. You understand me? Jungle justice you go. You understand me? So just hold it there, so. Hold it there, so. Jungle, jungle, jungle. We up in a Portland bush on one part. You understand me?
Leave the little girl and make them grow.
For real, man.
Leave the girl and make them grow. You understand?
For real, for real.
Don't treat woman like woman on the property youth.
True thing.
And even if you don't give a woman something, my youth, a woman is not an investment, my lad.
You understand me?
Tell you this, you see boy will take back things from woman and vex with woman and want hurt woman because them give woman something and the woman leave, them want hurt the woman. Them boy, they never want to give it in the first place.
It's for real,
that's
man.
That's why I tell a young girl, them say, yo, just independent, you know. And it depends on a boy, you know. And them boy come going like them more than only, you know.
True, true.
Hear that woman?
Yeah, man, for
because
real, man.
Me forward a Europe and me to say, yo, anything where a man can do, like work and them thing, the woman can do.
Can do it too. Same way, for real.
My youth, me date girl where drive truck, you know.
Yeah, for real.
White girl, you know.
I drive truck.
A trailer truck she drive. You want to see how she little and short and pretty.
Yeah, man, for real, man. So.
And a trailer truck with whole heap of goods she drive.
For real, for real, for real, man. For real, man.
So woman can do it too.
For real, man. So ladies out there.
Don't depend on a boy. Me nah say, man, not to give woman money, you know. You understand?
Yeah.
If you are the man, and you more better off than your girl.
You need to help your woman to carry your woman.
You help your woman. I want my woman to look pop down and I want
you understand me?
Money and me can afford it.
For real, for real.
You understand?
But some boy if you understand.
He even have to be me woman.
For real, for real.
Me no want to see no woman look pop down to you. Can help out your dogs them, your virgin them. What about the few little girl them will end around you too? Them and a human being too.
For real, man, for real, for real.
And the few little girl them where they run the thing too. Make the girl them look good too. I want to give woman money too. I want to you even have to deal with them.
You understand me?
So you help out your virgin boy, you help out your sister. I want to
for real, man. So
human being, we have to treat human being like human being and
for real, man.
Like say yo, if you give a woman something, you have to get back something.
No.
You have to kill her.
For real, man. For real, man.
You have to do that.
So this is a strong note to end on. You understand me?
Yeah.
Stein.
Treat woman them like human being, brother. And
for real, man. For real, man. For real, for real.
Woman, my lad.
So that was the man himself, Stein. Final point before him go, and it was stronger than ever. Ladies, independence is one of the most greatest things. Man, you don't own no woman, you don't own nothing where them have, so don't do nothing where. You understand me? Allow the girl them alone. So Stein, thank you for being here. I'm going to drop the last song before you go. This song, Charge Up. You know there's something, so it's out now. You can check it out.
Stein.